Hey, so if you're using Google Workspace and want to work smarter with Google Slides in 2026, this guide will walk you through everything step by step, so collaboration, sharing, and productivity feel effortless. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google Workspace email and password. Once you're inside, you'll see your Slides dashboard connected automatically to Workspace tools like Drive, Gmail, Calendar, and Meet. Start by creating or opening a presentation. Because Slides is part of Google Workspace, every file is saved automatically in Google Drive. You don't need to worry about manual saving. Your changes update in real time. Next, take advantage of real-time collaboration. Click the Share button and invite teammates using their Workspace emails. Multiple people can edit slides at the same time, leave comments, and suggest changes, which makes teamwork much faster. Use comments and suggestions instead of emails. Highlight text or elements, add comments, and tag teammates with the @ symbol. This keeps feedback organized directly inside the slides. Google Workspace also makes file management easy. You can organize presentations into shared drive folders, control access permissions, and track version history. If something goes wrong, you can restore older versions in seconds. For meetings or training, connect slides with Google Meet, present directly in a meeting, share your screen, or use Presenter View to see notes while your audience sees the slides. You can also embed Workspace files into slides. Insert charts from Google Sheets, documents from Docs, or files from Drive. When the source file updates, you can refresh it inside slides automatically. Before finishing, review sharing settings to make sure the right people have view or edit access. This keeps your content secure and avoids accidental changes. And that's basically it. By combining Google Slides with Google Workspace features like Drive, Comments, Meet, and real-time collaboration, you can work faster and more efficiently. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.